body parts and people inside the cars at all times. Now there are waste baskets located at each end of every train car. I promise they're there. I checked myself this morning. I ask that once you have chosen a car for your train ride, please remain in that car at all times while the train is in motion. You are welcome to move about the car that you are in.
Discovered gold in what is now known as the Denver area. Now, Denver started out as a mining camp in the Kansas Territory, named after the Kansas Territorial Governor, James William Denver. And when they discovered gold, they're on the little dry train coming into the South Florida. There's the train. So this is how we do it. Now, the number 9 was built in 1923, weighs in at just under 80 tons. It is a steam locomotive fired with fuel oil. And this is our ladder track. This is our steepest continuous grade of 4%. Now when I was now folks, we are crossing Clear Creek for the first time on this downhill run. That's known as Guystoning. Those familiar with those roads. It's only precision stacking that is kept in place for over 100 years.
Realize there's silver in that rock. Watch for gold, Albert.